Hi, I am Dr. Rajul Agarwal from Action Medical Institute, Paschim Vihar, New Delhi. 30th May has been marked globally as the World Multiple Sclerosis Day. It is a day to celebrate global solidarity and hope for the future for MS patients. It's a day to spread awareness and campaign with everyone affected by MS. Multiple sclerosis is an uncommon disease of central nervous system affecting 10 per lakh population in India. This number may be higher in certain sections of society. Evidence collected from hospitals throughout India suggests that the number of MS patients diagnosed annually have nearly doubled. Multiple sclerosis mainly affects the people between 15 to 50 years of age and mainly affects women. Multiple sclerosis has significant impact on both morbidity and mortality of the patients. Multiple sclerosis usually present with recurrent attacks of neurological deficit like visual loss or double vision, weakness in the limbs, tingling and numbness, imbalance or incoordination, inability to control bladder and bowel, and sexual dysfunction. It can also cause pain, spasm, stiffness, fatigue, dizziness, and intolerance. What causes multiple sclerosis is unknown. It is considered an autoimmune disease in which the body immune system attacks its own tissues. In this case, the immune system malfunctions and destroys the fatty substance known as myelin that coats and protects the nerve fibers in brain and spinal cord. Early detection of MS is important because if detected early and treated promptly, it would greatly improve the chances of preventing disability and mortality in multiple sclerosis patients. Today, let's come together and fight this grave and serious illness. Thank you.